It's a true saying. People buy results, isn't it? No one wants to put up with something that doesn't work. Who likes to waste their hard-earned money anyway? Not any wise-hearted individual. This is why I bring you results of our herbal product, FEMEBOLD, made with feminine wellness in mind. Imagine feeling like yourself again naturally as a woman. In just 3 days, this herbal supplement transformed our client's life. Listen to her testimonial.
Hello, Mrs. Betty, good morning, ma. Do you know that your product is 1 out of a million? Jesus. You know the ovulation thing I told you about? For like since last year, I've not been seeing ovulation. I was telling you that I was joking. Do you know what happened? I took that period that first day. After you came and shouted that I've not started taking it. When I take it, Jesus, I noticed, I wanted to be discouraged anyway. But you encouraged me that I should take again. Just 2 sachets, I did 3 that I've taken. That's the bag as it is, like Lipton, like that. Oh my God. You need to see my ovulation. If you see the kata, the ovulation stuff, the kata stuff, in fact, I became wet. For a very long time, I'm no longer wet. My body is always dry. Body just is sweet me. Make I do. This your product is 1 in a million. What did you even call it? FEMEBOLD is 1 in a million. In fact, when I went to meet my husband was like, you came to look for me. He said, I beg. Body just is sweet me. But I will still take it. I'll finish that 1 pack. I'll ask for another one. At least let my body normalize. All those signs I no longer feel as a woman. This your waiting with me. FEMEBOLD, yes, is 1 in a million. It's sharp. In fact, I cannot stop testifying.
It restored her hormonal balance, brought back her monthly cycle, and reignited her passion for life. Amazing. Now she is experiencing the peak of her femininity. The thing is, it can work for you as well. Please share this video to someone you know needs this right away. Join us to spread the news and bring smiles to families. Don't wait. Rediscover your true self with FEMEBOLD. Your body deserves the best.